So I am pedagogue from Rio de Janeiro, Brazil. I studied 5 years in the Faculty of Education of the Federal University of Rio. And during this time, I participated of two different programs, one for initiation in research and one for initiation in teaching. And then I started doing my research on early childhood education. And I presented a research entitled A Musical Perspective of Pedagogical Improvisation in Early Childhood Education, which came from my dissertation from uni. So during pandemic, I attended an online conference as well, but this time it was in-person conference, and I have to say that it felt completely different. I love to be able to experience it in person. Of course, that I'm from Brazil, so sometimes the only way that you can do it is online, because just like right now, we're in different countries and doing like talking together, and I think online conferences are good because of that. But yeah, there was something about the in-person conference that was very good as well. Yes, I think especially because of this cultural exchange that an online conference can bring to you, so you can live talk to people that are in completely different cultures and contexts. So yeah, I would definitely recommend to have this experience as a researcher or like as an educator in general. For me, it was the conference was held in London, and I was already going to London, so it was a perfect timing to meet people from different countries. And I actually met like an educator from Israel, another one from South Africa, from Ghana, from India, from London. So I think this brought me a different perspective of education and brought me some possibilities of thinking in a different way.